Ever found yourself juggling a constellation of different wallets just to manage your diverse digital assets? It can feel like a cosmic clutter, right? What if there was a way to bring some order to that chaos, a single point of command for a significant chunk of your crypto universe? That's the question we're diving into today. What coins can Bifrost Wallet actually support? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of specific cryptocurrencies, let's briefly touch upon what Bifrost Wallet is all about. Think of it as a non-custodial, multi-chain wallet designed with interoperability at its core. In a world where different blockchains often operate in isolation, Bifrost aims to bridge those gaps, allowing you to manage, stake, and even participate in decentralized applications across various networks from a single, user-friendly interface. This focus on cross-chain functionality is key to understanding the range of coins it supports. So, which digital treasures can you actually safeguard and interact with using Bifrost Wallet? Let's break it down. At its heart, Bifrost Wallet has strong ties to the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems. This means you can confidently manage your Polkadot, DOT, and Kusama, KSM, tokens. But the support doesn't stop there. Bifrost extends its reach to the vibrant ecosystem built on these platforms. You can expect to hold and transfer various parachain tokens, those unique cryptocurrencies native to the individual blockchains connected to the Polkadot and Kusama relay chains. This includes popular parachains like Aquila, ACA, and its stablecoin AUSD, Moonbeam, GLMR, and its Kusama counterpart Moonriver, MOVR, Centrifuge, CFG, Parallel Finance, Para, and many others that are constantly evolving and being integrated. Keeping up with the ever-expanding list of supported parachain tokens is an ongoing process, which speaks to Bifrost's commitment to the Polkadot and Kusama space. Beyond the immediate Polkadot and Kusama universe, Bifrost has been strategically expanding its compatibility to include other major Layer 1 blockchains. You can currently manage your Ethereum, ETH, and a wide range of ERC20 tokens within the Bifrost wallet. This opens up a vast landscape of decentralized finance, DeFi, and other applications built on the Ethereum network. Similarly, Bifrost also supports the BNB Smart Chain, BNB, and its associated BEP20 tokens, providing access to another significant and active blockchain ecosystem. Furthermore, Bifrost recognizes the growing importance of the Cosmos ecosystem and has integrated support for Cosmos, Atom. This allows users to manage their Atom tokens and potentially interact with other blockchains within the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) network as Bifrost's Cosmos integration evolves. It's important to note that while Bifrost supports a wide array of coins, the specific functionalities available for each coin might differ. For example, you might be able to transfer and store most supported tokens, but staking or participating in governance might be specific to certain networks like Polkadot, Kusama, and some of their parachains. Always check the Bifrost wallet interface for the available features for each specific asset. The Bifrost team is continuously working on integrating support for even more blockchains and tokens, driven by the goal of creating a truly comprehensive multi-chain experience. So, while this gives you a solid overview of the current landscape, it's always a good idea to stay updated on the latest additions and announcements from the Bifrost project. Their commitment to interoperability suggests that their list of supported coins will only continue to grow, making it an increasingly powerful tool for managing your diverse crypto portfolio. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.